Hi friends, here is a good tool that you can use when you are dealing with emotions. It's called My Emotions Wheel. Right here you can draw a picture of a smile that represents happy, or you can put an angry face under the word angry. On sad you can draw a sad face, and on excited you can draw your excited face. There's the simple emotional wheel. If you want a more complex emotional wheel, you can use the next one. This wheel. This wheel has 8 different emotions. It starts off with scared, happy, angry, worried, proud, sad, excited, and surprised. I can't wait to see your emotional wheels.